substitute pi x by L equal to y. If pi x by L equal to y, so that x equal to what? X equal to L by L pi by L by pi into y. L by pi into y. And dx is L by pi dy. L by pi dy. Then the integral on the numerator becomes, that is the integral of 0 to L sin 2 pi by Lx into x into sin pi by Lx dx. We consider only that integral only. That will become the integral on the numerator, that is this integral. This integral will become what it is, the limit will become changes to 0 to L to changes to 0 to pi. Okay. Then integral 0 to pi, in place of pi by Lx put y, so sin 2y into y. In place of x we substitute what? Ly by pi in place of x we substitute what? In place of x we substitute L by pi y. So we get sin 2y into L by pi y into sin y into L by pi dy. Okay. This will become L by pi and L by pi constant. So L by pi all square. L by pi all square integral 0 to pi. We write this y in the first, y into sin 2y into sin y dy. Sin 2y into sin y dy. Okay. Then what is sin 2 theta? Sin 2 theta is what? Sin 2 theta is 1 minus, sorry, sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin 2y is 2 sin y cos y. So we write in place of sin 2y L by pi all square integral 0 to pi y. In place of sin 2y we write 2 sin y cos y into sin y dy. 2 sin y cos y into sin y dy. Then 2 sin y into 2 sin y into sin y, sin y into sin y, sin square y. So this is L by pi all square into integral 0 to pi y into 2y into sin square y into cos y. Sin square y into cos y into dy. Then what is sin square theta? Sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. Then that will become, and ഇവിടെ എഴുതാം, okay, L by pi all square into integral 0 to pi 2y into 1 minus cos square y into cos y dy. That is equal to L by pi whole square into integral 0 to pi. Then expand that function. In the next step, we expand that function. Here 2 is a constant, so that can also be taken outside the integration sign. So we get what? 2 into L by pi whole square. 2 into L by pi whole square, integral 0 to y. Then y into cos y. Y into cos y. Integral 0 to pi y cos y dy, then minus cos square y into cos y, that is cos cube y, integral 0 to pi cos cube y dy. Okay, sorry, y is a common, so y cos cube y dy. Y cos cube y dy. Okay. Then from the table of integrals, integral of 0 to pi y cos y dy equal to cos y minus sin y, cos y minus, the integral is cos y minus y sin y, cos y minus y sin y, integral 0 to pi. Applying the limit, this is obtained from table of integrals. Okay. In place of y, first we put the upper limit, that is cos pi. Cos pi is what? Cos pi is minus 1. Cos pi is minus 1, minus y sin pi. Sin pi is 0. Sin pi is 0. Then minus cos 0. Minus cos 0 is, cos 0 is what? Cos 0 is 1, so minus 1, minus plus y sin 0. Sin 0 is 0, so it is also 0. So the answer is minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, integral 0 to pi y cos y dy is minus 2. And from table of integrals, integral 0 to pi y cos cube y dy equal to y sin 3y divided by 12 plus cos 3y divided by 26 plus, sorry, not 26, it is 36 plus 3 by 4 y sin y, 3 by 4 y sin y plus 3 by 4 cos y. Applying the limit 0 to pi. Okay. Y sin 3y divided by 12 plus cos 3y divided by 36 plus 3 by 4 sin y plus 3 by 4 y sin y plus 3 by 4 cos y. Then applying the limit and simplifying, we get minus 14 by 9. Minus 14 by 9. We need only the final result, that is minus 14 by 9. Okay, so we can write this as integral 0 to pi y cos cube by dy equal to minus 14 by 9. From the bracket you write, from table of integrals. That result is obtained from table of integrals. Now another explanation is needed. Okay.